Hi everyone, welcome to JVN testing tutorials. We are starting Java 45 days challenge. So daily we'll share the Java classes evening 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. In between the time daily evening Monday to Friday, in between the time 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. daily we'll share the Java classes. So actually this is not a free course. You have to pay the fee for this course. So what is the procedure to pay the fee for this course? Simple. You have to like the videos and you have to comment down challenge accepted for Java 45 days course. So who are really interested to learn Java in 45 days challenge? Now you can start paying the fee by doing like the video and comment down challenge accepted. So daily I am expecting you will pay the fee by doing like and comment. Okay. So from today onwards start paying the fee by doing like the class and comment. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.